Hi everybody. So today I'm here with yet another book. So this book that I'm holding is one of the biggest best-selling novels of this whole century of the 20th century. This is the best-selling novel. So any guesses for that? And it has sold almost 400 million copies around the world. So 1 million is 10 lakhs. So you can do the calculation. So 400 million copies have been sold. So it is that successful book, and its author, okay, she was one of the most poorest of the poor person, and her success story is a huge thing. And this book, can anybody guess? Okay, so this book is Harry Potter. Okay, so all of you know Harry Potter, okay, the magical world, the unrealistic, the fantasy world that we are all so much we really love. That once you start reading the pages, you just go into the most beautiful world that this author has created. But before she created this, she was a complete failure. At one stage, she was so depressed. She was a divorcee. She had a small baby to take care of. She was bankrupt, and she was under the state's benefit for really poor single women. And you can also be shocked to tell, if I tell you that almost 12 publishing houses rejected this manuscript. And she was so poor that she didn't have a laptop, she didn't have a computer, and she didn't even have money to do photocopies or Xerox of her handwritten manuscripts. So she had to type it using an old typewriter, and every single time she went to a publisher, it was almost 90,000 words which she herself typed on an old typewriter. So you can see how much of hard work she has gone through. And almost 12 publishing houses did not have the faith to publish the story. Then finally what happened? So there was a small publishing house where she had given this manuscript. So there it was almost in the rejected list. At that time there was a small girl, the CEO's daughter, who out of just fun started reading a page of it. She was so overwhelmed with that story, she immediately put a tantrum. I want to read the full effect of the story. What happens next? So the CEO called all his managers and everybody, find that author. I need that manuscript right now. So nobody knew who she was, who had given that script and gone in the office. They started searching for her, and then ultimately they found her. Her name is Kathleen. That is John Kathleen Rowling. So after that, it is history. So one upon the other, all the books started becoming hits and runaway hits, and it became movies, it became the whole talk of the town. And when the book released, in one day 3 lakh copies were selling. So here friends, success will come, definitely, but you should never give up. Okay, so with that, let me read Rowling's lines that she has told in an interview. I have just written it down here. I'll read it out to you. If you ever have a dream or keep getting rejected, don't let that stop you. If you're going through a tough time in your life, but working on something you really believe in, don't give up. Who knows, you might end up breaking records. Okay, with this, I take leave. Bye.